Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. Today we're diving into the Bybit platform and showing you how to maximize your benefits using the Bybit Referral code 82500. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. A Bybit Referral code is a special code that allows new users to receive bonuses and discounts when they sign up for Bybit. By using the referral code 82500, you can unlock exclusive rewards, including trading fee discounts, cashback on trades, and even free crypto. This is a fantastic way to kickstart your trading journey on Bybit with added benefits. Step 1. Sign up first. Head over to the Bybit website or download the Bybit app. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Enter your email address or mobile number and set a password for your new account. During the sign-up process, you'll see a field labeled Referral Code. Enter 82500 in this field and click Claim Reward. You will receive a verification email with a code. Enter the code to verify your account. Step 2. Apply the referral code. During the sign-up process, make sure you enter the referral code 82500 in the designated field. This will immediately activate the exclusive rewards associated with the code. Step 3. Verify identity, KYC. Next, you need to complete the KYC process to unlock all the features and benefits on Bybit. Upload the required identification documents and follow the instructions to verify your identity. Completing KYC not only increases your withdrawal limits, but also ensures the security of your account. Depositing funds. Once your account is verified, it's time to deposit funds. Navigate to the Assets section and click on Deposit. Choose your preferred deposit method, such as bank transfer or crypto transfer. Make sure to meet the minimum deposit requirements to qualify for the bonus. Bybit offers various trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and margin trading. For beginners, spot trading is a great place to start. Select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, enter the amount, and choose between a market or limit order. Confirm your trade, and you're done. After completing your first deposit and trade, navigate to the Rewards Hub to claim your bonuses. Here, you'll find the exclusive sign-up rewards activated by the referral code 82500. Follow the instructions to claim your bonuses, which may include additional steps like completing specific tasks or reaching trading milestones. Bybit offers a variety of features beyond trading. You can participate in staking, lending, and using trading bots to maximize your crypto earnings. These features are designed to enhance your trading experience and offer more ways to earn on the platform. Bybit takes security seriously. The platform employs advanced security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Completing the KYC process also adds an extra layer of security to your account. FAQs: Can I trade on Bybit without KYC? Yes, you can trade on Bybit without KYC, but there are limits. Unverified users can withdraw up to 2 BTC per day, while verified users enjoy higher withdrawal limits and full access to all features. Is Bybit good for trading? Absolutely. Bybit is an excellent platform for both beginners and experienced traders. It offers a wide range of trading options, low fees, and a user-friendly interface. In conclusion, using the Bybit referral code 82500 during sign-up can unlock amazing bonuses and rewards. Make sure to take advantage of these to maximize your trading experience. The Bybit platform is incredibly user-friendly and offers various trading options to suit your needs, whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more tutorials and crypto insights. Use the Bybit referral code 82500 in the description below to get your exclusive sign-up bonus and start trading today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.